Hello, welcome to another video for mindful eating. Today I'm making some date bars, and in here I've got two cups of oats. I've got some almond butter. I'm just going to show you this very quickly here. Some almond butter that I purchased from the supermarket. Just here, some almond butter right here. And I've got roughly about two cups of not 2 cups, sorry, but about two to 3 teaspoons of honey. And basically I've mixed all of this together, and I would say roughly about 2 to 3 days, because this is for myself. And basically what's going to happen is that I'm going to put it into a tray and leave it in the fridge overnight, and then we're going to see the finished product. So this is it right here. As you can see, the dates are in there, and the the almond butter and the honey. And we're going to put this in a tray and bake, not bake, leave it in the fridge overnight. You're going to see the finished product. This is for a healthy breakfast or for a healthy snack. So stay tuned for that. So this is the finished product of the bars that I prepared. They were kept in the fridge overnight for, I would say, for when I put them in the fridge yesterday, so they've been in the fridge for roughly a couple of hours, or say roughly 8 hours. And this is the finished product. So basically this is it. You can make these in advance and basically leave them in an airtight container and consume them 3 to 5 days. And they should stay fresh. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to have another video uploaded very soon. Thank you again.